want you to continue the investigation, especially now that it's confirmed Celestine is still alive.
Hello.
But you still need to rest your ankle.
The thing is, for me, resting is hard work. I can't even relax in this.
In a luxury nest where you can enjoy it all.
Sounds great. Back in the swamp, I used to love mud baths.
There's some stores that have something new, and who doesn't want to rest there? Let's have our friends speed up all the way to 15.
Count to 15 with us.
Konti lang siya. Kasi nagkaroon na kami hapon. Sarap ba? Ay, gila. Namamaga yung mata nito. Pia, Nia. Pia. Ay, ito na. Turo na. Ay, bawal pa sa'yo yan. O, konti lang. Ay, hindi na. Tutunay na. Ito na.